Welcome to Ningning Mandarin, Chinese tongue poetry with short story. 登鹳雀楼 Ascend the Stock Tower by 王之涣。白日依山尽，黄河入海流。欲穷千里目，更上一层楼。Chinese story for listening practice. You can turn on captions for English. May you enjoy and subscribe to my channel to learn Chinese with me. 在中国唐朝时期，有一个诗人叫王之涣。他年轻的时候是政府的一名官员。在他家的附近有一座很出名的楼，叫鹳雀楼。一天傍晚，他去爬鹳雀楼。他站在楼上，看着太阳慢慢地落山，黄河的水也慢慢地流入大海。他想，这样的景色真是太美了。只是他站得还不够高，不能看到更远的风景。于是他马上爬到了楼的最高层。在这里，他终于看到了更远的山水，天上的彩霞和海上的波浪非常美。他感到非常激动，因为这是他看过的最美的日落。他突然发现，生活也是这样的，站得越高，就看得越远。只有不断努力，提高自己，才能有更大的成就。白日依山尽，黄河入海流。欲穷千里目，更上一层楼。更上一层楼 is also a useful phrase, means going up to a higher level. For example, 我祝你们的中文更上一层楼。我也祝你们的事业更上一层楼。To access lesson PDF, including vocabulary, Chinese story with pinyin and English, Chinese only version plus audio and extra benefits, please consider to support me by Patreon. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like it, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you next time.